Hello guys. Wait, let me just move. We are going to play Translate It, and this is a game that you need to translate like whatever language to English. This is Chinese edition, so let's go. Okay, Chinese language. What is go in English? I don't know. Dog, fish, rice? Let me think. I think dog. So let's see the answer. Is it dog? 3, 2, 1. Yes, the answer is dog. Okay, let me just move my phone here. Okay, so yep. Okay, next one. Chinese language. What is 再见 in English? I know this. It's bye bye. Yes, it's right. What is 老师 in English? Is it book, teacher, or school? What is it? Oh, I guess it is teacher. Yay! Oh, bye. Okay. What is 幼师 in English? I don't know. I haven't learned. Come on. So far, homework or game? My opinion is homework. Let's check. No, it's game. What is high time in English? I don't know how to pronounce that word. Friend, text, or beach? I apparently don't know because my friend made this slideshow. Yep. Friend, text, or beach? Friend? Is it friend? Yes or no? I think friend. No, the answer is beach. Oh my. No. Okay. Chinese language. What is the noun in English? I think it means computer / laptop. I think it is. Yes, it's computer. Next one. What is liu sir in English? Green Christmas seafood. I know. Green. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, I think. Yes, I'm right. What is Gangin? What I apparently don't know how to pronounce that. Gangin in English. I don't know. I think it means flowers. I guess piano. Ooh. Okay. Oh. What is 熊猫 in English? Elephant, panda, cartoon, history, or car? I know it. It means panda. Yay. What is 喜行车 in English? Apple, tea, perfume, bicycle, color. I haven't learned this. But I think I know. It means, I think, perfume or bicycle. Bicycle. Yay! It is bicycle. Oh, great. Okay, it's the end of the slideshow. So, thanks for. If you like this, comment down below what you want me to do. Like, which language do you want me to translate in English? Maybe it's like Japanese or Korean or French, Dutch, or whatever. Just comment down below. Bye!